This is one of the playgrounds for the kids. There are some benches also here to sit down and relax. See, it's a pleasure to watch this water. We call it water fountain, automatic sprinklers for the grass. So we'll start our jogging now, and let us try to have this swing. This is a swing. Yeah, so momentarily we felt like we are a young kid again. It's very relaxing. No children playing here this time, but during winter time this is full of families already, even in the morning. So that's it. We'll start to jog now. Look at this bird. See? Jumping, jumping, jumping. See the crow, the crow. The crow is attacking the ducks. That little duck. The crow is very hungry maybe, and he wants to eat. Ah! 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 This is the Off-White restaurant. They are offering buffet lunch and buffet dinner. This place really magnetized me. I have never experienced like this before when I was in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. In Jeddah there is also corniche, but it's very far from our staff housing. Here it's only 10 minutes away, so you can just walk from the staff housing going here to Corniche.